just a reminder, the low to mid 350s, if tested in the coming weeks or in the coming days, can contain buying through August, even into later year. And holding below the low to mid 350s will keep longer-term support at 252.87 in reach over the next few months. You can just kind of see this kind of a wedging pattern that is now playing out. You've got the extremes that were established later May into early June, and we've been trading inside of that with lower highs and higher lows subsequent. So 344.27, is it in reach today? Probably not, but I will say that we have an intraday resistance area at 332.56 that can contain intraday, possibly daily buying pressures. If we close above 332.56, I expect 344.27 tomorrow. This formation can contain daily highs, and over the next few days will be bumped up to 356.95, a 10-point range roughly, and narrowing gradually that can absorb buying through August and even into later year. And once tested, we could then fall within several months back to some variation of the 252.87 channel bottom. Now, of course, if we were to push back up into the 350s again, upside once again, if we do close today above 344.27, and I don't see it, once again, I just want to mention that over the next few days, because it's closing in on that 351.39 level, it will be sort of lopped in to that range. So it is an area you can sell into later August. And once tested, within 2 or 3 weeks, we could fall back to this trend line that is presently at 310.34. A trend line we violated late last week, but did not close below. And then the following day, we opened clearly above it, and we've been trading up over the last few days, except for yesterday, Tuesday, was an inside day. 332.56 able to contain intraday highs, and if we push through 32.56, we could, by the closing bell, see 344.27 intraday. If we close above 344.27, 1 to 2 week swing traders, you might want to bail on that short position, and then you could reestablish in the mid 350s or just hold off for a downside sell signal, because there is a case to be made that if we close above this structure, especially over the next 3 to 5 days, it could be our buy signal then as we continue into September trade. If you're more of a longer term position trader, you could sell 344.27, anticipating then bearish rotation to 310.34 or lower in the coming week, 2 or 3. And if we were to close above 356.95, then you exit that short position, reverse, and go long for the longer haul. If we did receive the buy signal above 356.95 area, we would have, at this point, I would call this kind of a 3 to 5 week target at 417.86. Downside, holding below 332.56 will keep 310.34 in reach. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.